How to use YouLearn AI, YouLearn AI Review. YouLearn AI is an AI-powered learning tutor that helps study smarter by summarizing PDFs, YouTube videos, slides, and lectures, and then turning them into interactive notes, quizzes, podcasts, and explanation. It's backed by Y Combinator and used by millions of learners worldwide. So to use YouLearn AI, start with creating an account on YouLearn AI. So you can go ahead and click on this Get Started button at the top right, and then if you don't have an account yet, you can go ahead and create an account through clicking on the sign up button. And then from here you can create an account through entering your email and password. And here you can also create an account by signing up with your Google account. So you can go ahead and upload or select learning content. You can upload PDFs, slides, or recorded notes directly. You can also paste a YouTube link or search from supported format. The AI processes the material instantly. Now, after you upload your file or paste or link your records, for example, I want to summarize a specific lecture from YouTube. So I'll simply open YouTube into a new tab and then select a video that I want to summarize. So from here, go ahead and select a video that you want to summarize. And then once you have selected a video, simply click on three dots at the bottom right of that video and then click on share from there, and then copy the link provided, and then head back to YouLearn AI, paste your link into the section, and then you need to wait for this to be done processing to be able to get summaries and key takeaways. So YouLearn AI generates chapter outlines, concise summaries, and highlights, perfect for quickly grasping complex topics like economics, coding, or quantum mechanics. Use the AI tutor chat to ask for specific questions about the uploaded content. It provides referral answers so you know exactly where the information comes from. The platform creates personalized quizzes and exam based on your material. You can test your knowledge and track progress over time. Now, lastly, you can go ahead and learn in multiple formats. So, convert lessons into podcasts for audio learning, use interactive flashcard for memorization, and switch between text, audio, and Q&A depending on your style. And that is how you can basically use You Learn AI.